Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a personal, professional touch to your electronic documents, today's guide is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to create a custom stamp in DocuSign, the full 2025 guide. Whether you want to include your company logo, a special insignia, or a unique brand mark, by the end of this video, you'll have your own custom DocuSign stamp ready to use. Let's dive right in. Log in to DocuSign first, open your favorite web browser, and head over to DocuSign.com. Sign in with your DocuSign credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but the process is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. Go to the Admin section on the homepage. Look for the Admin option in the main menu. Click it to access all of your account's management tools. This is where all the customization magic happens. Locate the Stamps feature. Inside the Admin panel, scroll through the sidebar until you find Stamps. This is where you can create, upload, and manage your custom stamps. Click on the Stamps link to open the feature. Create a new stamp next. Click the Create Stamp button. This is the starting point for your custom design. Here, DocuSign will prompt you to upload an image that will serve as your stamp. Upload your image click. Choose File and select a high-quality image from your computer. This could be a company logo, an official seal, or any design that represents your brand. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution file. PNG or JPEG usually works great. Once selected, upload the file to DocuSign. Finalize your stamp. After your image uploads, DocuSign will confirm your new stamp. Double-check that everything looks correct. If you're happy with it, save your changes. Your custom stamp is now ready to use whenever you prepare or sign documents in DocuSign, and that's it. You've just created a custom DocuSign stamp in minutes. With this stamp, every document you send will carry a personalized and professional touch. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.